Talk about a real estate to a buyer in NCR and you will be met with suspicion. How did things get this way? Blame it on a few large developers who have kept thousands of buyers waiting endlessly for their apartments. As part of a special series on developers who have failed to keep their promises, we highlight BPTP, a company whose projects have been indefinitely delayed. I'm in Gurgaon in BPTP's project where buyers have gathered to protest against the builder, and for a basic reason, a basic thing which they wanted is the possession of their flats. We have the buyers with us who are there gathered today. And sir, when did you book your flat and what happened?
The flat was booked in 2006 and since then it's been more than 10 years and we've been still waiting, and I don't think the wait is likely to end the way that things are at this moment.
Despite of the lot of follow-up with Mr. Kabul Chawla, he is not responding even a single email.
So it's clear that the builder is not answering your queries. And what problems are you facing?
Nothing seems to be happening on the ground. Flat is incomplete. There is no water connection. There is no electric connection. There are no fire tender paths. Everything is lacking. We have been waiting and waiting and waiting. I don't know whether wait करते करते इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे. हमारी जिंदगी में फ्लैट मिलेगा भी कि नहीं मिलेगा.
We feel pain that nothing is happening and builder is taking every for a ride. So suddenly I want some authority somewhere to wake up.
From Gurgaon to Faridabad, the story remains the same. At least 15 of BPTP's projects are witnessing average delays of more than 3 years, with over 5,000 units stuck in limbo. What's worse, buyers are also alleging unfair trade practices by BPTP.
सुपर बिल्ड एरिया के नाम पे आज 5 लाख रुपए लिए. आपकी ईओडब्ल्यू ने एक रिपोर्ट बनाई है, एसडीएम ने एक रिपोर्ट बनाई है. अगर जो मेजरमेंट 1000 है वो 1025 या 1125 या 1145 तो नहीं हो जाएगा. जब आपने मेजरमेंट किया वो 1000 ही आ रहा है, तो उसके 2011 में चार्जेस ले चुके हैं. लेने हो तो सर एक अलग इशू है, लेकिन ऑलरेडी 2011 में आप कैसे किसी से ले सकते हो पैसा, जो चीज आपका एरिया है ही नहीं.
NDTV contacted BPTP about these allegations, and here is what the company had to say in its defense. Buyers have alleged that no occupation certificate has been acquired for Park Serene project. Only letter of possession is being offered. It is illegal to stay in the flat without OC. In this, the BPTP has responded and said, "We would also like to reiterate that all prerequisites for OC have been complied with, and physical OC in all likelihood will be received shortly." Buyers have also alleged that basic amenities like road, parking, fire safety have not been developed. And the BPTP response is that all essential services including water, electricity and sewage treatment plant are already available on the site. Buyers are also saying that they have been charged extra for super area increase without taking prior approval. Investigation shows no increase in super area in Park Elite project. And BPTP's response is that super area charges are as per the agreed terms and conditions of the agreement. We have time and again complied with all authorities on verifications of areas in our projects. Buyers are also saying that there are no signs of construction in various projects. In this, the company has responded, "We are now planning to raise debt as one of the means to further augment the pace of construction. We have also already communicated revised timelines to all our customers. While we accept that there is a slowdown, but these have largely been due to various reasons beyond our control." BPTP has also stated that they had reduced their debt from 900 crore rupees to 300 crore rupees and are looking to raise more money. While that process goes on, buyers are now pinning their hopes on RERA coming up in their state. BPTP will have to get its act together and begin full-scale construction if it wants to avoid being severely penalized by the regulator. From Delhi, Chanakya Bhatia, NDTV.